సంబంధించి గొడవలు జరిగినాయి. ఆ టైంలో వీళ్ళంతా ముక్తార్ ఇంటిపై దాడి చేసి తిరిగి గత రంజాన్ మాసంలో 31వ తారీఖు నాడు చుండికా కూడా ఇది ప్రెస్ మీట్ కాదమ్మా. అరే బాబు ఇదారా మంచిదే. On 19/7/2019 at about 7:30 p.m. one Syed Mukhtar was brutally murdered by his opponents and also relatives, in which Syed accused Ahmed bin Salam, Hassan bin Rauf, Muhammad bin Rauf, Salam bin Abdullah and others were participated, where the accused A1 Ahmad Yafai, that is Ahmad bin Salam, and Hassan bin Rauf brutally attacked and murdered this boy at Ali Hassan Hotel, Chunnikapatti Chaurasta. In this case, we have identified total 9 members as per the FIR, 9 members. Out of them 6 were now apprehended and we are going to produce them before the court and making efforts to apprehend the remaining accused. The accused, one Javed, mentioned in Awad mentioned as a accused in FIR. Later, the complainant given statement under videography. He has not involved. His presence is not there. We are verifying the facts, and after inquiry, detailed inquiry, it will be decided. Now, the arrested accused are being produced before the court. The motive behind the murder, they are the accused and the deceased are kith and kins. They are having old grudges regarding Mukhtar long back. Mukhtar is a loved one girl, Ahmed Yafai, that is A1 Ahmed bin Salam, cousin sister. In this regard, some quarrel took place and they were beaten Mukhtar. Again, this during the last Ramjan on 31st May 2005, Chunnikapatti, after iftar, iftar dawat, a quarrel took place between the deceased and the accused followers. In this regard, 2 cases were registered at Shalibanda, crime number 81 and 82, against each other, and another case at Kamatipura police station, while crime number 42 of 2019. In that cases, the deceased was mentioned and remanded as A3 in Shalibanda case and A1 in Kamatipura case. So there are enough rivalry between the deceased and the accused. In this connection, this murder took place. That is the main motive. We are making efforts to apprehend the absconding accused.
सर
शीट्स
कितने के ऊपर ओपन करें?
पूरा वो जो इन्वॉल्व हुआ पूरा लोगों के ऊपर हिस्ट्री शीट्स ओपन करने का रहा था. हम पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट्स फोटो वगैरह खींच के.
सर इसमें ऐसा सुनने में आ रहा है कि कोई समद मिस्री भी इन्वॉल्व है ये मर्डर केस में.
समद मिस्री प्लानिंग में है. उनका ऑफिस में बैठे हुए पूरा लोग उसके बारे में सोचे इसके वास्ते उनको भी इन्वॉल्व करा।
तो अरेस्ट में हुए सर?
अरेस्ट हुआ, समद मिस्री, उनका बेटा अबू मिस्री भी अरेस्ट हुआ।